Hello, good afternoon to all of you. Can you all hear me?
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good
So,
afternoon, teacher.
okay. Are you all ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher.
All right. So,
Good afternoon, teacher.
yes, good afternoon. So, first of all, I want you to say these sheets, especially these sheets. You can see it now.
Hari. Yes.
So here you can see, Puda, you want to match the letter. That means you want to draw lines here, A to Z, capital and simple both. You want to do this one, and also, yes. That means page number 36 and 37. Those are homework for you, Puta. Edeka homework වලට එන්නේ. You don't want to do it today. අද ඒක කරන්නේ නැහැ. Mark කරගන්න. You want to draw lines. You want to draw lines and write, you want to color it at home. Lines draw කරලා color කරන්න ඕනේ පුතේ ගෙදරදී. Okay? So you can do it as a homework. Okay, then mark it. Now you want to see this. You can see color the balloon. So today you want to do coloring part as well. Coloring part එකත් පුතේ අපි කරනවා දැන්. මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? What do you want to do here? You want to take red color and color letter F. Letter F කියන column එක පුතේ red වලින් color වෙන්න ඕනේ. So you can go through like this. Then this one is letter F. So you want to color it with red color. Okay. So there's another F. So you want to color this also with red color. What is the color? What is the color you want to choose for F?
Color.
Yes, red color. Now take this red color and color it here. Letter F lines only. Letter F only, red color.
Teacher, I have finished.
Okay. So next take orange color for letter G. Orange color for letter G. So you can see orange G here. I can't color it nicely, but you can color it nicely because my tools are not good enough to do that. Next one, blue color, it's for letter H. Now find out blue color, it's for letter H. You can see letter. Oh, I think they have, they haven't given H here. So we have to take yellow for letter I. Yes.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Oh, Pute?
People get.
Body is there. No, good, good. You have good witness. All right, then you can see blue one here. I haven't seen it. Yes, body is blue color. Yes, good. Have you all finished? After finishing that, you want to show it to teacher. Yes, show me that, darling. Okay, show me that. Okay. Letter I puta yellow color ka use karana. You can use yellow color for letter I. Take yellow and color it letter, yes, color letter I.
Teacher. I am finished, teacher.
Show me that. Good, nice. Nicely done.
I have finished. I missed teacher finished. Teacher event is finished.
Yes, show me.
I have finished, teacher.
Yes, Litula, good. Nice. Osandi, yes, you want, have you finished?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, continue. Good.
Teacher.
Okay, Sakindu, nice.
I finished. Tea time, please.
Nice, Puta. Lesson your one is also nice.
Wait,
Yes,
Mama.
Anuti, your one is also nice.
I have finished, teacher.
Show me. Right. Good. Nice. Okay, Sandy, your one is also nice. Well done. All right. Yes, who is the next one?
I have finished, teacher.
Show me your book, darling. You want to come close? තව චුට්ටක් ඉස්සරහට එන්න ඕන පුතේ. Okay. All right, good. Okay, those who have finished can turn to the next one. It's also the coloring part. Here they have given a house. So alphabet codes are here. You want to recognize the letter as well as the color. So you want to recognize letter O. So letter O is blue color. So you want to find where is letter O, then color it with blue color. Letter O with blue color. So I know most of, that means all of you know colors, different colors. You want to take that and color it. Yes? Asandi? Come closer down. තව චුට්ටක් ඉස්සරහට ගන්න. Which one, Puta? H.
Oh.
Okay, wait, I'll show you. H is blue color, darling. H blue. This one is blue. Okay, others can go through the next page. Those who have finished can turn to the next page and color letter O with blue. Color letter O with blue. So you can see windows are blue color. Then you want to color the windows with blue here. So like this, you can color it. After coloring letter O, you should color letter P with orange color. Orange letter P.
What's the color? Orange. It's orange color. It's orange color. It's orange color.
Color all P. Then here you can see mention a triangle like a P and pute. Then this rectangle is P. So you want to color all the parts. Yes, next on Q. Q is red color. Now everybody take Q, red color, Puta, and color letter Q. Now you want to color letter Q. හැමෝම letter Q එක පුතේ red color එකෙන් තමයි color කරන්න ඕනේ. Letter Q is about the door. You can see letter Q on the door, so you want to color it. Next, you want to take brown color and color letter R. You can see R here. Then you want to color it with brown color.
Teacher, I have finished.
All right. Last one is S, darling. So you have to use green. Yes, Anuti, nice. Your one is nice. Good. And you want to color letter S with green color. Green color, you can take green and color it with green color. You can see here and also here. 2 trees are here. Then you want to color 2 trees with green color.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Mine is finished.
Okay, show me your activities, Puta. I can, okay. Yeah, nice. Okay, well done. Good. That R should be brown color, Puta. Is that brown even?
I have finished, teacher.
Just show me that.
Finished, teacher.
Puta, orange එක එන්න ඕනේ letter P වලට සකිඳු. Letter P should be orange. Is that orange? Or I can't see it. All right. Okay. Then okay, Buddha. P is orange color. Next on Nitish. Yes, nice. Good. All right, good.
I have
Yes,
finished.
give me. Yes, your one is also correct. All right, good.
Teacher, finished.
Lesson do nice. Good.
Please.
Okay, lesson do good. Nadasi, well done. Good. Litula, yes, you also done it well. Anybody else who haven't shown your books?
දැන් පාඩු වෙන පස්සට ඇවිල්ලා මේක හරියට පාඩු වෙන පස්සට
Okay, then you have this one as the last one. So you want to use A with blue color. You want to color A puta. A කියන fins මේ color කරන්න තියෙනවා. That is blue color. B with yellow color. Okay, මිහිනුල. Correct. Then B you want to color with yellow color. C with orange color. And D with black color. So you can see A, B, C, D. මේ D කියලා තියෙන පුතේ මෙන්න මේ චූටි චූටියට තියෙන දිගට තියෙන parts වල තමයි D තියෙන්නේ. That should be black color. Okay? Then C's are here. මෙන්න මේ C's තියෙන ඔයගලන්ට පේනවා ඇති මෙන්න මෙතන fin එකේ. වරලේ තියෙනවා C එක. Okay? Then you can see A, B, C. තුනම තියෙනවා මෙන්න මෙතන fin එකේ. එතකොට A, B, C මේ colors තුන blue, yellow and green. Sorry. Blue, yellow and orange කියන colors තුන තමයි අපි ගන්න ඕනේ මේකට. Okay? A, B, C කියන fins තුනට. Likewise, you have to choose the color from here. You can see the color here, I hope. මෙතනින් පේනවා නේද colors ටික ඔයගලන්ට? So letter A එක විතරක් first color කරන්න. It's blue. It's blue. Color it.
Oh, යන්නකෝ. පොඩි වෙන්න. මේ යන්නේ D අක්ෂර කළුනේ. D අක්ෂර කළු වන්නේ.
දැන් මේ ටික ගහන්නේ pins ටික ගහන්න ඉන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා. අසලේ කොම් ගන්න පුතේ මට හිතෙනවා. අර බලන්නකෝ ඉතින් ඔයා පාට කරන එක ලොහේ උලන දමලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක පාට කිරිල්ලක් නෙමෙයි. ඊට පැන
පෙපා.
මේ පාට කරන් කහ පාට. ඕ කඩත් හරිනේ ඉස්සරහට විලා ඉඳන්. කහ පාට මොකද්ද?
පාට කන්නේ.
I hope you all have finished it. Have you all finished? If you have finished, please show me that.
Finish, teacher.
Yes, show me that. Okay, well done. Good, nice.
No finish, teacher.
Okay, continue. You can continue it. Yes.
I am finished teacher.
Yes, Litula, show me your one. Yes, show it, darling. Yes. Okay, good. All right, Litula, nice. When you color, all of you want to color it nicely. හැමෝම color කරන්න ඕනේ ලස්සනට. Don't go out of each line. The lines වලින් out යන්න නැතුව පැහැදිලිව ලස්සනට තියෙන්න ඕනේ. After that, those who have finished want to take your writing books, darling. හැමෝගෙම writing books ටික ගමු අපි ඉවර වුණාට පස්සේ. Today we are going to write the alphabet and we are going to start the new tute. Alphabet එක පුතේ කරලා ඊට පස්සේ අද අලුත් tute එක start කරනවා. It's about colors. Okay? Colors වලට කලින් teacher spellings තියෙන නිසා colors වල teacher මොකද කරන්නේ? අද alphabet එක check කරනවා දැන් පුළුවන්ද කියලා කරන්න. නේද? අමතක වෙලාද? If you have forgotten it or not. Right? So everybody want to finish this task and take the writing book. Yes, Litula, you can take the writing book because you have finished it. And Niven also can take writing books. Start cameras and start to write capital A to Z. Cameras on කරලා තියන්න පුතේ හැමෝගෙම. I want to check whether you all are doing it alone or not. වැරදුනාට කමක් නෑ පුතේ හරියට තනිවම කරන්න. No need to take the help from your parents. Now start to write capital A to capital Z. Capital A to capital Z. Those who have finished can start it. ඉවර කටියට පුළුවන් පුතේ start කරන්න.
Teacher, what should be the book?
Take the writing book. Yes, Sandasi, correct. Your one is correct. Nice. Take the writing book and start to write capital A. Yes, Lasandul. Shall we start, Lasandul? Lasandul, පුතේ අද alphabetically ලියලා අලුත් tute එක start කරන්න හදන්නේ. වාඩි වෙමු නේද අපි? අද මොකද බැරි? වෙනද හොඳට ඉන්නවනේ. හෙට ඔයාලට holiday එකක් තියෙන නිසා තමයි පුතේ අද මේ ගත්තේ teacher ඔයගොල්ලන්ව හොඳද? හෙට rest කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, shall we start capital A? Capital A එක start කරමු අපි.
capital A කියන කතිය.
Yes, you are a good boy. All of you all are good. So you want to start capital A now?
Teacher,
Yes.
මේ පොතද
Writing book එක. ඔයා ලිව්වේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා ඔය book එකේද පුතේ? Alphabetically ලිව්වේ මොන book එකේද? ඔයා ලියලම නැද්ද?
නැති.
All right. Okay, තමයි ලියන්න ඕනේ. Yes, you want to use the same one. Then you should start capital A. Next letter is capital B. Capital B.
Teacher,
Yes.
පිටුව කර AB teacher කියනකොට ලියන්න ඕනද?
ඔව් තනිවම ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ පුතේ දැන් ඕගොල්ලන් alphabet එක capital letters මුලින්ම අපි ලියන්නේ මම බලන්නේ ඔයාලට දැන් මතකයිද කියලා. Right? After that, you want to show it to me because I want to check whether you can remember it or not. මතකයිද නැද්ද කියලා තමයි ටීචර් check කරන්න හැමෝම හොඳට කරන්න ඕනේ. After letter B, you can continue up to letter Z. පුතා. Z වෙනකන් ලියාගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. ඔසදී Z වෙනකන් ලියවද පුතේ? A to Z capital letters.
Teacher,
You have finished it? Good. Show me that. Wait, I'll check it. Okay. Can you go back a little bit? චුට්ටක් පිටිපස්සට ගන්න ඕනේ පුතේ book එක. Up, go up. All right, good. Okay, now we are going to write simple letters. Small letters. Osandi, you can start small letters now. Simple A to simple Z. Show me that. Well done, good. Now you should have to write simple letters. Simple A to simple Z. ඉවර කට්ටිය පුතේ capital letters ඉවර කට්ටිය simple letters ලියන්න ඕනේ.
teacher.
Okay, coloring part. Okay, now let's start to write the alphabet පුතා. Alphabetically යන්න start කරමු අපි.
Then good.
වයි ඔහොම ලියන්නේ ඔය සිම්පල් වයිනේ. අයියෝ 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 අයියෝ.
Nitish, have you finished?
No.
ලියන්න.
I'm finished, teacher.
Show me. You want to go back, Puta, a little bit. The other page, first page, Puta, alphabet A. A.
Chapter 8.
Yes. ඉස්සරහට ගන්න ඕනේ පුතේ. Okay. I. Okay, J. Where's J? In the other page. J. Okay. Turn to the other page, Nitish. Okay, Puta. Okay. All right. U. Letter U. Have you written letter U, V, W, X, Y, Z? U. Next page, Puta. Nitish, next one. Next page.
I have finished, teacher.
Yes, who is this? Yes, Little. Show me the book. Show me the book, Puta.
ලස්සන ලියන්න. ඒව ළඟින් ලියන්න. ඒව ළඟින් පොඩියට ලියන්න සිම්පල් එකට පොඩියට.
Yes, Little. Give me 1 second.
Teacher, I have finished. Teacher, I have finished.
Little, turn to the next page, darling. N after that. All right. Okay. Letters are okay, Puta. So you have to write it nicely a little bit. තව චුට්ටක් ලස්සනට ලියන්න ඕනේ. line එක උඩ ලස්සනට කෙලින් ලියන්න ඕනේ, right? Okay. Who is the next one?
Teacher,
Yes.
Niven is finished.
Just show me that, Niven.
Teacher, I have finished.
Okay. Come closer, Puta. තව ළඟට එන්න ඕනේ, Sanuti. Okay. Okay, Puta. Correct. Well done. Good.
I'm finished, teacher.
All right. Okay, Sandasi, your one is also correct. What about Niven? I haven't seen your one. Camera එක off වෙලා පුතේ තියෙනවා. වගේ පේන්නේ නැහැ book එක මට. Others, what about the others? Have you all finished? Asandi, get me. Asandi have already finished. Get me.
Finished, teacher.
Okay, continue.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Yes, show me that.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, Buddha, correct. Well done. Good.
I'm finished.
Shall we write simple letters too?
Simple letters here.
Yes, Nitish. Have you written simple letters?
Finish, teacher.
Give me 1 second. I'm checking. Yes, you want to go back, darling. Chutak pidipasate annone Nitish. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, wait. I'm still checking. Yes, correct with us. Simple J should be, that means you want to write it under the line. Line එකෙන් පහළට J එක curve කරන්න. Simple J එක line එකෙන් පහළට ලියන්න ඕනේ පුතේ. Others are correct. Okay. Yes. Who is calling me? Yes, Asandi, show me your one.
Teacher, I have finished.
Yes, you are. Yes, you want to go up, darling. චුට්ටක් උඩට ගන්න book එක. Asandi. තව චුට්ටක් ගන්න ඕනේ පුතේ. පේන්නේ නැහැ ටීචර්ට උඩට ගන්න. උඩට. Go up. Okay. Simple Y එක පුතේ රුලෙන් පහළට යන්න ඕනේ. Simple Y. Others are correct. Good.
For the teacher.
Simple Y. Simple Y එක පුතේ පහළට line එකෙන් පහළට ලියන්න. Line එකෙන් උඩ ලියලා තියෙන. You should have to go down.
I have finished, teacher.
Show me that. D එක පුතේ අනිත් පැත්තට ලියන්න ඕනේ. D එක side එක මාරු වෙලා. Capital D එක.
I have finished, teacher.
It means you want to take it closer. තව චුට්ටක් ඉස්සරහට ගන්න පුතේ. Simple letters පේන්නේ නැහැ ටීචර්ට. Yes, you want to go down. චුට්ටක් පහළට වෙන්න ඕනේ. කළුවරයි පේන්නේ නැහැ මුකුත්ම. Get me. Okay, Osandi, I have already checked your one. Okay, Puta. Okay, Osandi.
I have finished, teacher. Teacher.
Yes, show me, darling. I can't see you. Sakindu taw chutak pidipasata wenna. You want to go back and
I
come
have
down.
finished, teacher.
Okay. Get me. Sakindu, show me your one. J එක පුතේ letter එක රුලෙන් පොඩ්ඩක් පහළට එන්න ඕනේ. Sakindu. Okay, others are correct. Okay, now you write simple letters. Simple letters. Simple A to simple Z.
Teacher.
Why?
මගේ පොත බැලුවයි.
ඔයාගේ පුතේ simple letters පෙනුන්නේ නැහැ. චුට්ටක් ලං කරන්න වෙනවා පුතේ කැමරා එකට. මොකද එළියක් එනවා ඊට පස්සේ මෙතන black වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Okay.
හරිද teacher?
Okay, තව චුට්ටක් ඉස්සරහට එන්නකෝ ඔයා. එතකොට පේන්න පුළුවන්. You want to come closer to the camera. තව චුට්ටක් book එක ඉස්සරහට ගන්න පුතේ. Yes. Puta, simple J is wrong and also then here simple Y. Simple J එකයි Y එකයි erase කරන්න. Those two are wrong. Simple J එක උඩට dot එක නෙන්නේ පුතේ line එක එන්නේ නැහැ. Then Y should be go, that means Y should go down. Y එක පහළට යන්න ඕනේ. Get me? Okay. All right. I hope all of you have finished it. Those who have finished want to take this tute. I hope most of you have got this tute to your hand. It's about colors. So today we are going to learn colors. The first color is what? We want to take the first color as pink. Now you can see the words here. Today we are going to write words for the colors. Colors will a word එක තමයි පුතේ අපි ලියන්න යන්නේ. We want to write pink. P-I-N-K. How can we write? P-I-N-K. First of all, you want to write on these dotted lines. පුතා මේ dotted lines උඩ තමයි අපි මුලින්ම ලියන්නේ P-I-N-K pink කියලා. Shall we write it? අපි start කරමුද එහෙනම්? Yes, P-I-N-K. First, write on the dotted lines. මුලින්ම dotted lines උඩ ලියන්න out යන්න බෑ. That should be neat and tidy. ලස්සනට තියෙන්න ඕනේ. දැන් ගෙදරදී practice කරන්න ඕනේ පුතේ හැමෝම. Letters that I have told you before also. එකයි ඉස්සෙල්ලත් කිව්වේ පුතේ. After finishing P-I-N-K, ඔයක ලස්සනටම ලියලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. ටීචර් බලනවා හැමෝම ලස්සනට ලියලා තියනවාද කියලා. That should be neat and tidy. පැහැදිලිව ලස්සනට තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Dotted lines යන්න බෑ out, okay? Have you finished or still writing pink? P-I-N-K pink?
I have finished, teacher.
Show me that. You want to come closer? තව චුට්ටක් ඉස්සරහට එන්න ගන්න පුතේ book එක. කැමරා එක ළඟට ගන්න තව. පේන්නේ නැති ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා ඔයාගේ. Okay, all right. So after finishing that, you want to color these letters with pink color. You want to color these letters with pink color.
Excuse me.
It's a homework for you. It's a homework. හැමෝම එක homework එකක් විදිහට කරනවා පුතේ කරන්න ඕනේ පුතා හැමෝම. You want to take pink color and color these letters. P-I-N-K. Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Okay. Next one, you can see flowers here. Can you all see flowers? Can you all see flowers here? Flowers පේනවද පුතේ හැමෝටම?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Good. Then you want to take P-I-N-K pink කියන ඒවා ටික අරගෙන මෙන්න මෙහෙම color කරන්න ඕනේ පුතේ ගෙදරදී. You want to color these at home. This one, P-I-N-K pink, second flower. Then P-I-N-K pink, third flower. Then here also you have another one, P-I-N-K pink, another flower.
Teacher,
Why?
pink flower, pink තියෙන අකුර තියෙන flower විතරයිද පාට කරන්න ඕනේ?
Yes. Pink කියලා ගහලා තියෙන flowers විතරයි color කරන්න. P-I-N-K pink. Only pink flowers, okay? Don't take
Okay,
other
teacher.
flowers. P-I-N-K pink. That should be also pink color. එක color කරන්නෙත් අපි මොන පාටින්ද? You want to use the same pink color there. Pink color එකමයි use කරන්න ඕනේ. All right, so those two are homeworks. Have you finished writing this? හැමෝම ලියලා ඉවරද දැන් pink කියන එක? Those two are homeworks. First, you want to show me P-I-N-K pink. Have you all finished?
Teacher, I am finished.
Yes, darling, show it to me. Okay, good. You can color the other parts at home as homework.
Finished, teacher.
Just show me that.
I am finished, teacher.
Okay, Sandasi, well done. Good. Then coloring part is a homework for you for Sunday. When you come on Sunday, you want to color it and come. Okay?
Teacher.
හරි ඉතින් පෙන්නන්න ගියා දුවනේ නේද?
Finished, teacher.
Show me. Everybody want to show me that. පෙන්නන්න පුතේ. All right. I'm going to end the session from there. මම එතනින් session එක අද end කරනවා පුතේ. Pink කියන color එක තමයි අද අපි කළේ. That is a nice color, right? You have done it well. Then P-I-N-K pink. And the other one is you want to color those words at home. Word එක පුතේ ගෙදරදී color කරන් එන්න ඕනේ. Are you, that means, can you understand? තේරුණා නේද හැමෝටම?
Teacher.
ඔව්.
Teacher. අර flower එකකට flower එකේ උඩින් තියෙන මේක
ඔව් ඒක තමයි පුතේ color කරන්න ඕනේ pink color එකෙන්.
ඕකේ අකුරු පාට කරන්න ඕනේද?
අකුරු තමයි පාට කරන්න ඕනේ.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. All right. I hope all of you can continue it at home and bring it on Sunday. All right. හැමෝම පුතේ Sunday දී ඔය ටික complete කරගෙන එන්න. I'm going to end the session for today. Other session එක teacher end කරනවා. Do you have any questions? Another ප්‍රශ්න. Osandi, what is the problem? නෑ darling, හෙට class එක තමයි අද කරේ. හොඳද? හෙට class එක නෑ. ආයෙ Sunday තියෙන්නේ. Sunday, yes. Okay, then see you next day. Goodbye. Complete it and come on Sunday. Okay, bye. Goodbye. See you.
Bye.
Bye.